Alright, you guys, I made it into the brand new Marshalls. Okay, we have these Nikes. Right when I walk in, they're gonna be $50. Here is the bag. It's a good like walking or running a shoe. Oh, what is this one? A Puma? Yeah, we got the Pumas in here. These are 30. These are gonna be Michael Kors. Blowfish. Oh gosh, is their music gonna be loud? The more Michael Kors. Oh, those are kind of cute, right? $25. We got the Blowfish high wedge sandal for 30 as well. $29.99. We have Tommy in here. This might be like again another scanning, you guys. These are really cute though. I feel like I need these in my life, but I don't need them. Maybe I'll give them to my daughter for the cruise. You know what? Yeah, let me find one in her size. Madden Girl. Of course, I love the ankle strap for $30. I love a good ankle strap. I used to wear like high wedges like this, but I need a strap now. Okay, New Balance in the blue. These are 50. They have Kappa in here. That's the new print. But we haven't seen this one yet for 20. Look at this one. I think I might get her the brown one. Yeah. Let's grab those. Those are her size. So Tom's is a 20. They have Puma, a lot of Guess. Lots of Guess run. Steve Madden sandals. These are 35. Skechers. These are 45. I know we've seen those, but they look nice. I feel like those are like really good neutral colors to go with everything. And then it's just so crowded over there. Ooh. Men's shoes. Plenty of men's shoes in here. I see Nautica. Oh, these are good too. So another good brand. I can never pronounce that name right. Nautica, Adidas. Here's Nike. Let me pull one out. Just a plain white one.
Yeah, of course.
And then more. Okay. Kappa in the men department. It has an all white one though. Plenty of children's shoes too, so if you're making it out here, they got you covered for children, men and women. Lots of sandals, a lot of sneakers. We have the Frozen and a Mickey Mouse. I do want to say their handbag department is pretty small compared to other Marshalls. 130. Normally Marshalls has like rows of handbags. 130. This is a cute Michael Kors one for 120. And 120 here too as well. 120. Then we have your greens, double chain, 130. And this row, yeah, oh wow, it's like really tiny too. It's kind of weird. I wonder why it's so tiny. Let me zoom out. Okay, nobody's in front of me. But here is their handbags. Are you stuck? Here's a Steve Madden one. You can put your water bottle. Okay, and their makeup. Look at this one. I like a Marge in her hippie days. $7. This one is $5. All your blushes. Okay, Sugar Bomb Benefits here. So a lot of these are not open, which is amazing, you know. Bare Minerals Bounce and Blur. That is only 10. We have Locket here for $10. Only see light tan. What's this one? Oh, Kevin a Coin or a Con. I just know it's like a good makeup brand. Cheek Stars. This is $29.99 by Benefit. Let me pull this one out. Okay, lip packs. These are each. Makeup blenders. They also have like a strawberry one. These are going to be more blenders. Come over here. Oh, okay. This is so cute. But the line here, you guys. The line. Isn't that cute, babe? Oh, I could get both of them. They're $4. $4. I'm grabbing those. We'll rate it out. Watermelon. Look at Clueless. Okay, share a lip gloss. How stinking cute is that? This is $2.99. I'm gonna grab that one too. But I like those honey pops. Okay. You're wanting a melon. Peeps. Lots of peeps right now. I honestly would skip out on them unless you have like a little kid who's really into that. Wild cherry. The pumper is here. Okay, and I found Lucky Charms. This one comes with brushes. Kind of reminds me of the one from Big Lots that they had for Christmas. $10, but this one is a Morphe. Okay, any new makeup bags? Nothing too new that I haven't seen. We haven't seen yet. Bamboo day pads. And that husband was totally mad at his wife over there. He did not want to be in here. He was like, oh my god, get me out of here. Dry shampoo. This is $17. Tons of Dry Bar right now. The Detox Dry Shampoo. Pacifica. Wella here. Let me see if they have anything I'm looking for since it's brand new. Okay, tons of rollers. I just bought this pack, you guys. I need more clamps though.
Looks like a bird.
Oh yeah, flamingo. This is only $4. Oh, this one's cheaper than the one I bought down there for $10. And it looks like you may get about the same amount. You get 18 rollers. Well, you got 15 here, 50. Scrunchies, multiple to choose from. They do have the towel ones. Right now, tons of slippers. Those are Joe Boxer. I wish they had like a mushroom print one. I thought I saw one, but I didn't. Okay, Juicy Couture. I know we've seen these before. Okay, right now is the perfect time to hit up face mask. Let's see what they have here today. Okay, Beauty Coconut. Plenty of Dr. Jart. And you know what? There's also a Ulta like right next door. I was thinking about visiting it. I need some stuff out of there. 13. Body scrubs, blow pop, cracking me up. I know we've seen a lot of watermelon, like birthday ones. Oh, there's a peach raspberry.
Pina colada sugar sweet.
All-in-one cream. Okay, let me pull this one out. This one is $18. Tons of jewelry, you guys. They still have the Disney ones. These are 10. They have like your letter on it. Okay, they have the Bugs Bunny. They have Taz. We haven't seen this one. $5. The icy ones here. Looney Tunes. This one's really cute for $7. That'll be cute. Your kid is all about makeup. Look at Buttercup. Do you guys like Buttercup or Bubbles? Go down here. Cher's wardrobe. That's $5. Dollar bills. No. I wish I could find lip balm like this. Okay, look at how cute. And look what I found. Everything in here is $10. So in a different location, they had these split up. Isn't that cool? Little box of eyeshadow palettes. They look like little books. I love it.
Yeah, I bet.
Swimwear is here. It is here. I can't believe. Bunnies. Ooh, they're stationary. Let's go down here. Oh, what are you looking for?
I keep trying to find the tricorder and I can't find it.
Oh, Crystal Ball, Glow in Bowling, Mood Lamp. There's Dobby, the talking Dobby. Should I get him one of these since you guys
Yeah.
are playing Harry Potter? Which one should I get?
That one's a cool one. A little Mandrake.
Here's the light up crystal ball. That's 7.
This is more like something for him. The screaming goat.
No, I don't want to hear that.
That's his stuff. That's kind of his stuff.
I know.
He likes silly stuff.
Just the essentials, cheese and wine, a little bubbly.
They got an ET in here.
Oh, they do?
Yeah, it's a figure of him.
Mini subwoofer. So funny. Okay, let's keep moving. This got crowded really fast. My husband's looking for Star Trek stuff. Okay, and home decor.
This is more.
We walk down here. So, oh, a little more decor. They got the large bunny, the carrot guy. Pillows are over here on this side. Bed and bath. And they do have a few rugs. I can't find a price for these right here on top. Rugs right here. Home bunnies. Calvin Klein blankets, of course. Kate Spade. Okay, let me go down the bedding. Home Goods was so crowded. Here's this cool butterfly one. I see only $20. Calvin Klein's are $50. Here's a heart one that's for a king for $59.99. We have satin pillowcases. Those are $10. Okay, and they're cleaning. Everyone says the pink stuff is good. That's a glass cleaner for your glass. I don't know. I want to try it, but then, So the one for the shower is good. Want this one right here? Okay, I made it into their toy department. These are $7. Has like a little soda pop in there. The waving tube guy. More Mickey Mouse stuff. Looks like you get like foam in here. $5.99. Kickballs. Oh, look at this one. Little Play-Doh one. I think the only thing I want to say about the stores off the 303, I feel like they're a little more tinier. Lots of baby toys. Okay, in their dog department, I'm trying to look for more frisbees. Oh gosh, you know how we saw the Stormtrooper bunny? They got a chewy one. It's like a little ring pop. It's kind of funny. Oh, these are just dog beds over here. No frisbees, but just plenty of plushies for your animals. Oh, there's one frisbee. And then tons of dog treats. Let me go over here. Those are cute, right? Large squishmallow. What's that? A sushi one for $13. They're called Smoochy Pals. So not squishmallows, Smoochy Pals. But they do have squishmallow here. Okay, clothing. They have the wide leg pants. I really do like these wide leg pants. They come in so handy for in the summertime. You know, if you like that breeze. Because I do not like clothes clinging to me in the summertime. It's too hot for that. Okay, we have jeans. It looks like these might be a little flare for $17. Who makes them? Indigo Rain. Okay. I like this V-neck top. That's $40. Sunshine. Oh, you know what? Have you guys been watching the rodeo? I've been watching the rodeo. I'm like, I want to go to the rodeo next year. Oh, this one has a little collar. $13. It's kind of cute, I think. Really cute for work. I like that. some tops, bottoms. But I think I'm gonna head on out of here, you guys. These are 20. You know, the line is actually not too bad. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. More bunnies. They have the pigs. Okay, they have a little bit of Easter up front. Butterflies, eggs, bunnies. This man just walked out with a whole bunch of, he bought a whole bunch of Nike shoes. See, you gotta come. They know right when it opens up, everything is brand new.